Dad loved trains. So like every Christmas, one of us boys would wind up with a train set, but he played with it more than anyone. This song's for him and all the men who worked on the railroad. Life is like a mountain railroad with an engineer that's brave. We must make the run successful from the cradle to the grave. Watch the curve, the field, the tunnels. Never falter, never quit. Keep your hands upon the throttle and your eyes upon the rail. You will roll up grades of trial. You will cross the bridge of strife. See that Christ is your conductor on this lightning train of life. Always mindful of obstructions and do your duty, never fail. Keep your hands upon the throttle and your eye upon the rail. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach the other shore, where the angels wait to join us in thy grace forevermore. As you roll across the trestle, spanning Jordan's stilly tide, and you will behold Union Depot, into which your train will glide. And there you'll meet the superintendent, God the Father, God the Son, with a hearty, joyous plaudit, weary pilgrim, welcome home. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach the other shore, where the angels wait to join us in thy grace forevermore. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach the other shore, where the angels wait to join us in thy